everybody up here, Vashu sir, Ashish, everyone has really helped me with this, and it's a new space for me, like you said, out of.
नहीं, आशीष का एक नेफ्यू है, तो आशीष ने नेफ्यू को गाना सुनाया, लला लोरी दारू की कटोरी, तो वो कहता है नहीं चाचू ये गाना रॉन्ग है। तो आशीष सेड क्यों रॉन्ग क्यों है? कहता नहीं लला लोरी दूध की कटोरी होता है। So, ये गाना मैंने सुना।
तो आप सर दो शब्द कुछ गा के लाइफ में please
I think Vishal Dadlani has sung this song, so he's sung it with real good attitude and बहुत अच्छी आवाज है उनकी, so I'll try. ओ कहती मम्मी शाम को गलती आ जाना, रोटी छोटी खा के सो जाना, नींद नहीं आए तो सुन ले लल्ला लल्ला लोरी, अब मैं छोटा बच्चा नहीं, पिटा पिता नहीं, घड़ी में 7 बजे है वन दारू दी कटोरी। Sorry, now you're
बैकिंग वोकल्स दे रहा था आपको।
Thank you so much.
Hi,
Lauren,
this is Urvi here.
तीसरे इसने परमिशन ही इतनी दी है गाने की। I have a question for you.
Hi, Lauren. This is Urvi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Lauren, this is the first time that you're doing a film in a comic space. So how was it working with Arshad and Jackie both in the film?
Well, Arshad, I'd been a fan of for the last couple years. Honestly, I've only been in this country for a couple years. You are invited home for dinner. No,
Sir,
but
एक मिनट
get food.
What is this?
एक minute.
He's also invited.
How much you guys have been talking? So since coming to India, everything's new to me. The films I'm seeing it all for the first time. I'm meeting people, I'm seeing actors and understanding their work and what they've done in the past 10 years?
18
years.
18, 19 years.
So, Arshad sir being a
Extremely
actor,
talented.
Comedian,
Very
dancer, choreographer.
Really good at my job.
Super
Awesome
big
act.
fan. And Jackie at the same time, he's been helping me all along. So, I mean, everybody up here, Vashu sir, Ashish, everyone has really helped me with this. And it's a new space for me, like you said, out of
Why are you talking like an
the
Indian?
ABCD. I do now. I'm a very confused accent now.
Talk normal.
This is normal
But
now. I don't know who
I must
am
say she's
anymore.
become so Indian at heart. She's become so Indian at heart that she came to Indore to shoot and do you remember that? She came to Indore to shoot and she was like, "Oh, so there are foreigners also in this song."
Dude, I forget I'm a foreigner now. My English is messed up. Yeah.
ठीक है, you know.
But I do. I feel half Indian.
हम लोग अच्छे को तबाह कर सकते हैं, इतना पावर है हम लोग।
Indian America क्या तुम?
किसी को भी भेज दो।
Hi, Ravi Gupta here. My question is to Arshad. Towards your center.
Sorry, I didn't get you. Where are you?
आपके सामने। अर्शद, अभी आपने मुंबई मेरा इंटरव्यू का आपने जिक्र किया।
सफाई की।
जी। तो उसमें हमने ये भी पढ़ा है कि आप जो रीशूट हुआ है जो प्रमोशनल सॉन्ग, उससे आप अनहैप्पी भी हैं।
नहीं, मैं मेरे कोई इमोशन ही नहीं मेरे में।
So we just want to know whole scenario behind it.
I'll tell you what it is. I hate patchwork. I have a problem. I hate patchwork. I like to finish the movie. Patchwork, na, ever any actor, it's a problem. So anyway, so I have to do 3 days of patchwork. All of us have to do actually. So which is a bit of a bummer, but I guess we have to do
I
it.
like working as much as possible.
और मेरा सवाल वासु सर से भी है। सर, जो वेलकम टू कराची लिखा हुआ है उसके नीचे कंफ्यूजन अहेड भी है, तो क्या आपको लगता है कि कराची के लोग काफी ऑफेंड भी होंगे इस तरह के जो
मैं क्लियर कर दूं, ये कंफ्यूजन ये है एक्चुअली इन दोनों के बीच में फिल्म का वो रीजन है। कराची को कंफ्यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं, ये इनको दोनों को कंफ्यूज कर रही है।
बहुत डीप बात कही है।
एक सेंसिबल सवाल कोई तो पूछ लो, इतने सारे लोग हैं यार।
Jackie here. Sonia here.
How are you, Sonia?
Hi. We all know Lauren is a very good dancer. Was it difficult for both of you to
Okay, I'll be very honest. Okay, and I'm not going to be shy. मेरी हालत खराब हो गई थी। She made me look like a full, मतलब जो डांस करती है लॉरेन, I think according to me she's the best dancer in the country. She's superb. And I look like a complete loser in front of her. But she tried to underplay as much as she can so that we can look good.
No, honestly, I'm also a teacher at heart. I've been doing dance for so long. So there was one time that, they wanted you to jump in a song and last minute he's learning steps. So I'm like trying to teach it to him. But in the reverse, they were helping me with my scene. So we're playing off of each other.
Jackie? अर्शद, आप क्या कहेंगे? आपके लिए कितना डिफिकल्ट था लॉरेन के साथ स्टेप्स मैच करना?
एक्चुअली क्या होता था कि जब इसके साथ परफॉर्मेंस होती थी तो मैं ज़्यादातर रिक्वेस्ट करता कि मुझे बैठ के देखने दे यार, तो मुझे बैठ के देखता था। कमाल है यार। सी द पॉइंट इज कि यू कांट कंपेयर। ये professional है. She's given her life to dancing. There is no way we, or I would say anybody in India, can compare to her talent, right? So there's no point trying to even go in that direction. So you sit and you watch. And you say, wow, damn good. Just the way she did with my acting.
Also,